How to fix Scrap Mechanic is crashing on Steam. So the first thing you'll need to do is right click on the game and open the properties. Go to installed files and quickly verify the game files. Now go back to General tab, and in the launch options you want to add -dx11 to the launch options box. Next you can close Steam. Now you will need to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which you can find below in the description. And from here, you'll need to get the 86 installer and the 64, both of them for the redistributables. Now, once you finish this installation, it will require you to restart your computer. So make sure to do that. Right after the restart, what you need to do as well is update your GPU driver. So make sure to get and install the latest available update, whether using the NVIDIA app or the AMD software, depending on which GPU you're running on your computer. And the next thing you'll need to do is right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game normally from the Steam library. And that should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.